Active Storytime course in June, and it was a really good course. Took a couple of colleagues with me and we did all enjoy it. We've come back and fed all the information through to all the staff, and I think that shows in the way that the staff now deliver the Active Storytime. It definitely had an impact on the children who previously don't really want to engage in story time, in circle time, because they fidget, they get bored. It takes so much energy for them just to actually sit still that they're not actually listening to a story. But with the active story time, when they're up, they're moving, they are listening to the story, because they've got to listen to the story to see what movements they're going to make. So it's much better for those children. It's much better for the child who's less confident, who wouldn't necessarily take part in a circle time, but will take part in an active story time and be happy to use the puppets, and we might use scarves, we might use the stepping stones, and because they've got a prop, then they're more likely to join in. So it's definitely helped. And it also helps for the children who English is their second language, because for a child to sit still and listen to a story that they actually don't understand, that's really difficult for them. But for the children who don't understand English but can understand gestures and movements, then they are actually learning and listening to a story through those movements. So it's absolutely brilliant for
Superworm is watch him wriggle, watch him jiggle, hip hip hooray for Superworm! Disaster, baby toad has hopped onto a major road. Hopwick, whatever can we do? Look, a superworm lasso. The bees are feeling bored today. They need a nice new game to play. Cheer up, bees, no need to mope. It's Superworm Skipping Row. The beetle's fallen in the well. Is he drowning? Who can tell? Not to panic, all is fine. It's Superworm the fishing line. Get your fishing rods, throw them in the well, and grind it all the way up. The toads and beetles, the bees and the bugs, the brother snails and the sister slugs. Uncle ant and earwig ant, clap and cheer and chant the chants. Superworm is super. Superworm is super. Watch him wriggle, see him squirm. Hip hip hooray for Superworm!
Since we've had the active storybooks, we've found that the children who can't concentrate whilst listening to a story, they really enjoy active, they get more involved, and they're able to move around, so they don't have to sit in one place, and they just find it much more enjoyable, don't they? Definitely. So yeah, it's made a big difference, and we tend to do every story like that now, don't we, here, because they just love getting involved.